A lot of people are finding it very difficult to write a perfect gig description for their service on Fiverr. Because of this, I have published a couple of examples that you can use on your gig without having to do any single thing. Right now, I'm going to show you the logo design gig description examples I have written. I published this on July 2018, and you can go ahead and copy this and use the exact description on your service. However, you might also want to go ahead and do some minor edits so that you can get the unique result you're looking for, and this is definitely going to help you get more sales on Fiverr without having to stress yourself writing from scratch. You can go directly to the website to copy this exact description and use it. But I strongly recommend for you, because there are a lot of people who have visited this page and a lot of people might have been copying this same gig description. For you to stay unique, it's better for you to do some minor edits and change some little words on it so that your gig description will be very okay and your gig will be approved on Fiverr without having any issue. Go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video and it will take you directly to this page where you can copy this gig description and use it for your logo design. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I hope this gig description will help you to get some sales on Fiverr. If you love this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have some question, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I will do everything possible to respond to every single comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, and bye for now.